I'm a firm believer, and so I thought I would share with you, regale with you my knowledge of CBD oil in particular. What is it? Why do you need it? How does it work? And what could possibly go wrong? So CBD stands for cannabinoid. It gets its name from cannabis plants. That's what they studied, and cannabis plants have a huge variety, probably the most complete source of these molecules, but you'll find these molecules in all kinds of plant and animal life. In fact, your body is lined with receptors for 400 or 500 different cannabinoid molecules, and so it's an important thing for our bodies to have. There are two types of CBD molecules. Those that are peripherally acting in your body for inflammation, that's what I'm talking about. And then there are molecules that cross the blood-brain barrier and have a neurologic change to the person who takes it, and that's what THC is, and that's made by a marijuana plant. So THC is still considered illegal in this country. These molecules work in balance. If you watch any nature, look at the human body or anything in nature, it is balance that is a calling card of God, right? Things must be in balance in your life. You must have balance. And these molecules need to be in balance. Too much of one or the other will throw this balance off. You can dose yourself according to your personal needs. Now, one of the reasons the FDA has not approved a lot of these CBD molecules is because it's very difficult to dose. Every individual is balanced differently and requires a different amount of this substance. And if you don't know, one of the easiest ways to figure that out is with a liquid tincture. You might want to do 5 milligrams a day for the next couple of weeks. Did that fix your symptoms or not? If not, double the dose. Double the dose every 2 weeks until it improves your symptoms to your liking, and that might be your dose. First of all, you could have a positive THC marijuana test if you do high doses of CBD oil, and that is because a lot of CBD oil companies get their CBD from marijuana plants. High caution on those. The stuff we sell here comes from hemp plants, so it's more of a nutritional supplement. It's not sold as a CBD oil, it's sold as a hemp supplement. And so those hemp plants have 0% THC. I am still supposed to warn people it may cause some pot-related drug tests to be positive. And so in patients who are firemen or pilots or physicians or nurses, then we suggest these 0 THC chance tinctures, just for the FYIs. The other thing that could possibly go wrong is if you take too much, you will throw yourself out of balance. And if you are out of balance, you might increase your anxiety, not lessen it. You might increase your inflammation, not lessen it. So, Americans like more, they like more bang for their buck. But in this instance, balance. You want it's like cooking. It's like using salt in your food. Just enough. That's what you need. Just enough. Okay? So CBD oil is the same way. We'll see you guys on the flip side.